Today is my birthday!
Tomi is very happy today.
Wow! The special day! It is my birthday party day!
Good morning, Tomi.
Good morning, Mom! Today is my birthday, Mom.
Yes, eat your breakfast.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dad. It's my birthday today.
Yes, Tomi, now hurry for school.
Okay, Dad!
Tomi feels sad. Maybe they forgot.
Hi, Tomi! Happy birthday! Thank you, you remember. Happy birthday, Tomi! Wow, thank you!
School was nice, but home?
Maybe they really forgot.
What is that sound?
Happy birthday, Tomi!
We planned a surprise party!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, day! Happy birthday to you!
This is the best birthday! Thank you, everyone!
Tomi is very happy now.